The iPhone 15 Plus, a big screen iPhone without the Pro Max price tag. But is it the right choice for you? With a refined design, dynamic island, a faster chip, and a camera upgrade, it's closer than ever to the Pro models. In this video, we break it all down: design, display, camera, performance, battery, and more. Let's dive in. Design build. Slow motion pan of iPhone 15 Plus in different colors. Apple ditched the iPhone mini for a bigger Plus model, and now the iPhone 15 Plus refines that design even further. The biggest changes? Slimmer bezels around the display, a new matte glass back goodbye, fingerprint smudges, and finally USB-C is here. No more lightning cables. Oh, and if you love colors, the iPhone 15 Plus comes in black, green, pink, blue, and yellow. Display. Close-up of dynamic island animations. Let's talk display. The 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen is stunning, but here's the catch. No 120Hz ProMotion. No always-on display. But brightness levels match the Pro Max, making it easier to see in sunlight. And of course, the dynamic island makes interactions smoother than ever. Camera. iPhone 15 Plus capturing photos, zoom comparison. Apple upgraded the camera game on the 15 Plus. The new 48 megapixels main sensor delivers super detailed 24 megapixel shots. New features: 2x optical quality zoom even without a dedicated telephoto lens, and better low light performance, cleaner selfies with improved skin tones. But keep in mind, no ProRAW, no telephoto lens. If you want serious zoom, you'll need a Pro model for performance. iPhone running high-end apps games. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Plus packs the A16 Bionic chip, last year's Pro chip. Still, it beats most Android flagships in speed. Expect fast gaming, smooth multitasking, and great efficiency, but if you want the absolute best, you'll need the A17 Pro chip in the 15 Pro models. Software and iOS 17. iPhone 15 Plus using iOS 17 features. With iOS 17, you get fun new features: contact posters for calls, live voicemail to screen spam calls, standby mode turns your iPhone into a smart display, and with iOS 17.2, Apple enhanced AirDrop, Apple Music, and camera features even more. Battery life charging. iPhone battery stats: USB-C charging. The 4383 mAh battery is slightly bigger than last year's model, but Apple claims no difference in battery life. Our tests? It still lasts longer than the Pro Max, making it one of the best iPhones for battery life. But charging is still slow. Wired 20W fast charging. Wireless MagSafe at 15W. Still no USB-C fast charging like iPads Max. Final verdict? iPhone 15 Plus in hand. Final thoughts on screen. So should you buy the iPhone 15 Plus in 2025? Yes, if you want a big screen, great battery, and a more affordable iPhone. No, if you want promotion, a zoom lens, or the fastest chip. And with rumors of an iPhone 16 Plus, even an iPhone Air, it's worth watching Apple's next move. What do you think? Would you buy the iPhone 15 Plus or wait for the iPhone 16? Let us know in the comments.